If you love Jamaican food, you're going to love this vlog. We kick off the day with some of the best roast pork in Negril, crispy chicken wings, and a few other local favorites. But just when we thought the day couldn't get any better, something happened that completely changed our plans. Let's go.
A vegan lifestyle, money stack in a pile. Cook food, make moves, and me born for style. Girl a bubble for the kingdom, love me profile. Every day I'm money and fun, me and live versatile.
Alright guys, so it's lunchtime right now. Lunchtime, baby. Yeah, so I'm about to get something else to eat. We still didn't get a chance to go on the road as yet, but once we decide to do that, we'll take y'all along the journey with us as well. Alright, but now we're gonna have some leftover food from last night. You know, last night we had some oxtail with rice and peas. Take a look at the screen, guys. You'll see the oxtail with rice and peas. It was so good, so delicious, no joke. Yeah, so we're gonna reheat that up, and I'm gonna have that for my lunch right now. Let's go. Guys, let me tell you, this food is so good. Spicy, you know, a little sweetness from the brown sugar that I added to it from yesterday. This is it. You know, you're getting that hot, flavorful Scotch bonnet kick. And let me tell you guys, don't really get any better than this Jamaican rice and peas. You know, with that Jamaica, so when I say Jamaican rice and peas, it's just rice and peas. And the oxtail is tender and it's cut like just the way I like it, nice and thick. Yeah, man. And you can taste the quality in the meat. It's nice and fresh. This is the best lunch I've had in a minute. Yeah, no joke. All right, guys, so I'm gonna finish this up and I'll see you in the next scene. Oh my God, what a hectic day, people. May I tell you, I didn't get a chance to record the past hour or so, but you know, we decided that we wanted to go to the beach like 2 hours ago, right? And by the time we jump in the car, you know, load the bags, them and everything, we're totally, everything, we're ready for the beach, you know. Crank up the car, car now start. Next thing you know, we did try figure it out. Try jump start, it now start. The jumper battery pack that we had at the time, it wasn't, I guess it was fully charged, but it only had 2 cranks out of it. So after the first 2 cranks, the vehicle didn't start, so we had to put it back on the charger for like 30 minutes more. But then after that, I say, you know, Father God help me out. Crank it one time and start rev it up, and that was it. The car started. But guess what? We had to go to the mechanic shop to get a battery. Yeah, so we had to replace the battery just now for $18,000 Jamaican dollars. We are talking about, you know, $18,000. Yeah, 18,800. So pretty much that's close to $200, guys. Well, no, I lie. That's not $200. That's like 150. Around 150, I think, or close to that. But anyways, the point is, you know, we had a little roadblock along the way, but now we're good to go, up and running, and we're heading to the beach now. Yeah, it's 2 hours later, but it's better late than never, right? And it was raining earlier too, guys, so either way we had to kind of take a pause. But now, yeah, we're on the way, and we'll have a good time. Have a few drinks, maybe get something to snack on nothing too heavy, you know, because I don't want anything to eat right now like that, you know. But that's that. So just keep watching the vlog, man. Make us see what I want. Yes, guys, so right now we're at the beach. We're at the Boardwalk restaurant right now. We're about to get something to eat, quick bites, before we hop in the water, because it's been a long, hectic day, man. You know, so we're just gonna chill out here at the Boardwalk Village restaurant real quick, and get something to eat, go in the water after that, and then just go with the flow. I don't know exactly what else we have planned, you know, but we're just gonna go with the flow for the rest of the day. So if you want to stick around with us, just keep watching the video and you'll see what's coming next. Yeah, so I decided to go with the Cajun wings. I've been craving wings for a minute now. You know, the last time I was in Jamaica, like there was some type of shortage with the chicken wings, so I had to double check, but they have it on the menu today. So that's what we're going with, the Cajun wings. All right, so it's like deep fried, tossed in Cajun seasoning, and then they do some type of drizzle thyme oil on the side or something like that. I'm not quite sure, but we're gonna try that out. Deandra, she also ordered some fried shrimp or coconut shrimp, calamari, and what else? Fried shrimp.
Yeah, coconut shrimp.
Coconut shrimp.
They have appetizers.
So that's what we're going with right now. All right. So once they come outside with the our food, I'm gonna let y'all see it, and you know, I'm pretty excited because I've seen a few videos online on YouTube with this place, and the food was looking spectacular. So I'm definitely excited, guys. Definitely, you know, ready to try. So stick around.
Key can step out, clean like breeze. Money talk loud, member, me no beg please. Lifestyle tune up, girl freeze when the tease. Why? Yeah, a key gun lifestyle, money stack in a pile. Cook food, make moves, yeah, me band fist style. Girl a bubble for the king.
All right, guys. So this is my fried Cajun chicken wings. All right, we're gonna take a bite and let y'all know how everything is. All right, first bite.
Over the bigger than the coconut.
No, compared to one time I did one time
These wings are good. It's lightly seasoned. It's not like too, you know, like tossing that Cajun seasoning dry rub. So this is not a wet batter. This is not a wet batter type of sauce. Not a wet toss sauce. It's more of a dry rub. But they first deep fried the wings like French fries, you know. I'm gonna try this one. Cause this one is more seasoning, more dry rub seasoning. No, I'm tasting that Cajun flavor. It's not spicy though. Not spicy. This is the fresh salad that they put on the side with the wings. I can tell this was freshly made.
Yep, this just cut up. It just grab the simil.
Freshly made, guys.
You know, it's a lot.
Yeah.
So far, so good. And our server, she's super nice, by the way. Super nice. Alright guys, so next up is the conch soup. You know, when it comes to soup, seafood soup, I'm that guy. I'm the guru. Yeah man, so the conch soup right now, guys, it come with some small chop, you know, ground provision inside of it. You know, you have a carrot, fresh carrot. It's not too soft and it's not too, you know, crunchy. It's right in between. You have a yam, a little bit of everything, and it's a lot of conch. Look at this, guys. A lot of conch in it. Yeah. And the flavor on this, flavor on the conch, is good. The soup is good, guys. Well seasoned. And it has a little spicy kick to it. You know, when it comes to seafood, you always gotta add that. You don't have to, but when it comes to the Caribbean style of cooking, you gotta add your pepper. You know, Scotch bonnet pepper for the Jamaican style. Yeah. Yeah, so with this conch soup, guys, you know, the conch soup right here, they serve it with grilled bread, hard-dough bread, instead of crackers. You know, in the US, in the United States, at least in Florida and most places, at most other states that I've been to, they serve it with crackers. Even if you go to like Chick-fil-A and those restaurants, and you order chicken soup, they give you crackers with it. But here at the Boardwalk, this is what they give, you know, which is good. You can add it to your soup like this. Look, just dip it in. And enjoy it. Real old school, you know?
You know, Jamaican do that bread and
This is like bread and soup, bread and porridge, crackers and porridge. Pretty much the same thing, same concept. But right now, we're waiting on our entree. No, waiting on the entree right now. I ordered jerk pork or a roast pork. D'Angelo ordered roast pork. You know, Cherish and Divine, they order jerk chicken. That's it. Huh? Shrimp, yeah. And jerk shrimp. I wanted to get some jerk chicken, but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait until probably tomorrow. I'll order some jerk chicken and let y'all see. It's not gonna be here though. It's gonna be at a different spot because I'm trying to try multiple places at the same time. So, you know?
Keegan step out, clean like breeze. Money talk loud, member, me no beg please. Lifestyle tune up, girl freeze when me tease. Why? Yeah, a Keegan lifestyle, money stack in a pile. Cook food, make moves, yeah me born fist style. Girl a bubble for the kingdom, love me profile. Every day I'm money and fun.
Yes, people. So I ordered a jerk pork. This is it. And I'm about to find out how it is.
enough to share with us. So, make you one of my shrimp then.
Wow.
You can get some more veg. I like my veg, so make you more veg.
The first bite,
No,
the first bite
pork, but it's like a
just
pot
did
roast
something to me,
style.
guys. This is amazing.
You can't eat
Wow.
it. Can't the cat up the grandma.
No, no.
I'm eating now. You come back. Well, not come back.
Wow, the pork
Alright.
is super good. It's spicy. They added the pickled, you know, onion, scotch bonnet pepper, and everything on top of it. This is like well put together. Like, I can't ask for much more. And the pork is like super tender. It's not chewy. The festival is good. I'm just not a fan of festival, but it's good.
Eh?
Did you hear him?
No, I said, keep cool.
Yeah, all right, keep cool.
That's what your heart make you keep cool.
And this is the jerk sauce right here.
Wait. No, you're not getting none of the drink.
All right.
Just give it. Bye.
Let me dip the pork inside of it and see how it is.
I like the steam good.
The sauce, the jerk sauce, is a little bit above the mild side. It's not too mild and it's not too spicy. It's just in between.
Wait a minute, I forgot to come to drink.
But this is how I like my pork. Pepper. Yes, guys, but overall, the food, I don't know if I mentioned it earlier, but the food here at Boardwalk is crazy good. It's so good, guys. Like, I had the jerk pork, I had the Cajun fried wings, a little bit of calamari. Like, I wanted to try the shrimp, but Cherish, she was being like super mean. She's a meanie, so you know, like. But besides that, guys, everything was like spectacular. No complaints. The flavor on the jerk pork, they kept it super authentic, because you would think they would tone down the flavor because it's more of a touristy, you know, attraction, hotel, resort, whatever you want to call it. But they kept it real. They kept it authentic Jamaican style, and I love that. You know, it was spicy, but not just pepper spice, but the flavor there, the flavor on the jerk pork, guys, was everything. The jerk pork was my favorite thing on the menu. You know, I'm definitely coming back again whenever I'm back here in Jamaica, right? I'm definitely coming back, and I would definitely recommend y'all checking them out, because, and the customer service, I forgot my server name, she was amazing. She was like a sweetheart. You know, like one of the best. You know, big up my server. I don't remember your name, but big up yourself same way. Yeah, man. Boardwalk restaurant here in Negril on the 7 Mile beach strip. Come check them out. Yeah, man.